Guys, we're here making Karmic Revenge pancakes today. So Asher and I are going to show you just how we do it, and you can look at my blog for the recipe and other tips for cooking. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to do 1.5 cups of milk, which is 12 ounces. I tend to use a scale because that way I don't have measuring cups everywhere. So we'll do 12 ounces in here. And you can use whatever milk you like. We use Milkadamia, but you can definitely use dairy milk, and that turns out really nicely.
And then we put eggs in?
Yeah, eggs are going to be next. Asher will do the breaking of eggs for us. Here you go, sweetie. Okay, you gotta crack it on the counter. Okay, and then hold it over here. Get in there. Oh, we got a few shells in there now. Okay, you gotta poke with your fingers, poke with your thumb. All right, we'll get in there. All right. 1 egg and another egg. Okay, crack it and then use your thumbs over the bowl. Both hands, gotta get both hands in here. Yeah, good work. Nice.
I sliced it.
Yeah.
It was this white. Where's the other egg?
Check the bottom. Looks good. No more shells. And 1 more egg. All right, thumbs over the bowl. This thumb, pull it open. Ta-da! Good job. All right, looks good. Okay.
Now what do you do?
First, I'll have you give it a little stir here with a spoon. Can you give it a stir?
I can see an egg yolk.
Okay.
Oh, I see one.
You see one.
Hi, egg yolk. Hello.
All right. So we've got those liquid ingredients mixed in, the egg and the milk. And now we're going to put it back on the scale. And I'm just going to dump in 4.8 ounces of almond meal. All right, here we go. And then we're going to tear. Now we do 4.8 ounces of oat flour.
I want to do this one.
This oat flour is from Thrive Market. I really like their stuff. It's organic. All right, we stir that up. Okay, let's take that out. I'm gonna hit the tear button again. And we'll do 4.8 ounces.
Whoa, that's a big mountain.
That is a big mountain. Okay, and then give it a stir. All right, next I'm going to do a teaspoon of baking soda.
I'll mix that.
A teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. This is some sea salt. And you give it another really good stir here. We're going to do this one. A bit of vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla. You want to smell?
And also,
You like that?
and also eat that.
You can eat that, yeah. It's vanilla extract. And we're going to do a little bit of orange extract in this one too today.
I smell it.
Yeah. You like that?
You can also eat that one too.
You can eat that one, yeah, that's pretty yummy. And then we're gonna do some cinnamon as well. Asher, do you want to shake the cinnamon in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you get after that cinnamon. Let's give it a little bit more. You do half teaspoon, or you can just sprinkle to your heart's content. And let's give it another stir.
That egg yolk was so fun.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to do the tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm gonna add that in there too. Just a little bit of sweetness.
I'll smell a little bit.
Oh, smell the maple syrup? Want to taste it in the spoon? Oh, that's so good, isn't it? Yum, yum, yum. So we're heating our pan up, and I'm gonna do just a little bit of ghee in our pan, or you can use avocado oil.
You can also use onion in it.
You can put onion in your pancakes, but it might taste a little bit funny. So, just gonna put a little touch of ghee in the bottom of the pan. I also note that I'm using a cast iron pan for this. I really like the way cast iron cooks, and it's one of the healthiest surfaces to cook on.
You can also eat ghee too.
You can eat ghee, you're right.
Too. Just taste it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then,
Alright, check the temp. It feels pretty warm. And
dump
dump that in.
that.
Yeah,
Which is pretty good.
it's pretty good. Do you like to cook, Asher?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thanks for helping me cook these pancakes today, Asher. It's always fun to work with you in the kitchen.
Tell the kids too.
Tell the kids too. Kids, it has been so much fun cooking here with Asher today. I hope that you can get your parents in the kitchen making pancakes. So, we're gonna show you some pictures of our taste test, but we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Thank
All right, how is the pancake?
you.
It's good?